Hey there, I know you're wondering, why is content marketing so important? Well, a great place to start is by knowing how it's different from traditional marketing, PR, social media, digital marketing, product marketing, and advertising. In essence, traditional marketing refers to any type of marketing that isn't online. It can include print, broadcast, direct mail, phone, and many more. A simpler way to look at it is that it's a mindset, which is outbound marketing. Outbound marketing is when a company initiates contact with their potential customers by disrupting them with a brand-centric promotional message. PR, or public relations, is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationships between organizations and their publics. It's really a tactic that helps build earned media. PR should help a brand craft an interesting storytelling to the media that can help organically generate free third-party content. Social media is all about driving conversations between people by posting information and content online. Hence, social media is really a distribution channel to drive engagement. Social media can attract attention with engaging content or push out ads to capture attention, making it both an inbound and outbound marketing tool. Digital marketing allows brands to promote their service or products through digital channels, such as search engines, websites, social media, email, and more. Like social media, it's also a distribution channel but used to call to action. By being present across different digital channels, a brand can prompt their audience to take the next step, whether it is to click, download, subscribe, or purchase. Product marketing is the process of bringing a product to market by deciding the product's positioning and messaging to ensure that salespeople and customers understand it. In essence, it's an art in positioning to drive conversions. Therefore, product marketing lies between marketing, sales, and product, aiming to drive the demand and usage of the product through communications. Advertising is when a brand pays to announce a non-personal and promotional message to call people to buy their product, service, or idea. As you might have guessed, is an outbound tactic meant to disrupt. It is a form of mass communication that happens both online and offline, aiming to inform, persuade, and remind their viewers to purchase. How is content marketing different? As an inbound marketing strategy that aims to attract instead of to disrupt, content marketing is all about creating content specifically for a set of target audiences. It is a strategy to build awareness and arouse curiosity. The content that is created is strategized based on the target audience's persona, with a goal to drive them down a content funnel from awareness to conversion. So why is it important? It's because people hate being sold to more than ever. They can access billions of products online and they are becoming highly selective. Unless a brand puts in the work to create valuable content that genuinely resonates with their target audiences, they will not succeed. Hence, content marketing has been said to be the last form of marketing left, and we think it's true. If you want to learn more about content marketing, be sure to visit us at joyceandcontentmarketing.com.